Okay, so this is more of a niche way to do some product research. So I've ran across this a couple of times where I had to buy things that are very specific for, let's say, an airline, or I have to, I'm traveling and I need something to fit a very specific form factor. Now, these aren't always things that you would typically think of, but they can be good opportunities. So I guess the best example that I could think of is this. So this is a bag that I bought, like 3 years ago. It is terrible. Like, I'm not a blue zebra stripe guy, but it was the exact size that fits Spirit Airlines personal item, so that I could maximize the total amount of luggage that I could carry for free. So when you're looking at these, if you pay attention to new laws, new regulations, new changes in things, or for example, new products that come out that people have accessories like drones and whatnot. So if I just go ahead and show you guys some stuff here. So there are some bags on Amazon that are specifically for Spirit Airlines. Now, there's only one here that really looks like it. Well, here's another one, but for Spirit Airlines foldable bag. This is specifically working on that. Now, if you're buying and looking for a Spirit Airlines bag, which one are you going to choose? I don't know. Let's check out what this revenue is like here. Okay, not the best, but he just launched this variation is what it looks like. So we look, this was just launched. Appears to be doing pretty good. It looks like it's a variation of this one, I think. Yeah, so this one is doing $27,000 a month, and it's just, they specialized in this niche, making a accessory carry-on for Spirit Airlines, showing that it matches everything perfectly. So yeah, that's one way that you could go about it. Oh, also Frontier Airlines. So obviously don't go do this, but look at these more niche things, because think of how many people are flying on Spirit Airlines or other things like that. How many people are going? So if you can make a kit or something that's special fit for a market, or like the DJI Mavic Pro, the drones, and all those different types of markets, just expand your horizons, and when you're deciding your niche. And what they've done really well here is what I like to focus on. They know their customer, and it just speaks to it. Now, some other people, great, there's these, but does it really fit? If I were a customer to be here, does it really fit Spirit Airlines particularly? I mean, this one just screams out to me that, hey, this is for me if I'm looking for Spirit. So, figure out who your market is and really tailor something for them, and you can get some raving fans and whatever you want. So I hope that this sparks some ideas, brainstorm some other niche ideas up. Yeah, this one is definitely, there's opportunities like this everywhere. So the other thing I did not talk about was new laws. Okay, so this is regulations that aren't like legal, but they're specifically for the airline. Those are the rules. So when a new industry is created, such as marijuana or other things like that, or for example, what is it right now? Hemp oil? It's very hard to get, and there's a lot of laws and regulations about it. So there's high profit margins there. So whenever there's something new, new markets are being created by laws and rules. So you can go in and take advantage of those and be first to market, and then ride that wave all the way up. So hope this helped inspire some ideas.